Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Hey guys, it's CrystalRenèe here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can read the title, I am doing an unboxing from two Etsy shops that I haven't yet shopped with. And if you're interested to see what I got, then stay tuned. So this first package comes from an Etsy shop by the name of HOMEBODYGOODSCO, and I ordered one of my wish list plants from this seller. I'm not sure which plant it is, so we will open the box together to find out. Okay, let's see how it comes. This is packaged so nicely, guys. Let's see what this is. It's a note. Aww. It says, "Crystal, thank you for your order. Can't wait for your plant babies to thrive with love. Enjoy. XO, Sarah at HOMEBODYGOODS 8." I'm not sure if that says that, but I will link it below so you guys can follow that shop if you like to. This is just my receipt. So it has some nice cotton at the top. Look how it's packaged in there, guys. And she has the cotton stuffed in the side so that it don't move around, and it's wrapped in newspaper. Very neat. I didn't completely check the box. You see this piece of paper right here? Well, that was a plant cutting, which I will show you at the end of this video. So there's two in here. And I do believe I only ordered one from her. So it looks like she threw in some extra. So when I opened the newspaper, it has more cotton wrapped around it. So we're gonna just remove that. It's got the saran wrap. Oh, this is a I'm not sure. Is this a Rhaptophobia tetrasperma cutting? Guys, I did not order that. But that's what it looks like. Wow. Thank you, Sarah. That was a surprise. She did tell me she was gonna throw in an extra goodie, but she didn't tell me what it was going to be. But that is special. Thank you, Sarah. Wow. Now this one is my actual purchase. I'm going to gently open it up. As you can see, she put more cotton in there to protect the cutting. So we'll remove that. And you can also keep this for when you're packaging and shipping things off to a fellow plant lover or a fellow plant friend or something. So I apologize if the framing is a bit off. My camera went dead, so I had to change my battery. But anywho, my Monstera Siltepecana. You guys get the idea. but there she is. I want you guys to check her out. So let's see. Gorgeous. Look at the leaves. They're beautiful. Guys, that is a beautiful plant. I want to check out the roots and everything. It's wrapped in this saran wrap. I may have to speed this up. Okay, so it has a pretty nice root system. Yeah, look at that baby all potted up. Now for this, guys, let's check out the root system on this. Again, didn't I just receive one of these? But I am so happy to have a cutting. It's so cool to get a cutting of this because now I can watch it grow from just one leaf cutting as well as a full plant. Let's check the root system out, if it has any roots or if I have to root it up in water or stigma. Okay, so that is the root system on it. It has a little bit of a root system. I might put it in some water to let it get more roots. I actually want to try this out in the stigma moss. I recently purchased some stigma moss, so this would be the perfect time to try it out. Wasn't that a great unboxing from Homebody Goods Company? Looks like she left another note. It says, enjoy your Monstera and baby tetrasperma. I knew it was a tetrasperma. XO Sarah at Home Good Bodies Company. That's what it is. Home Goods Body Co. And it looks like I also got a 10% off coupon for the next time I order from her. So thank you, Sarah. That is so sweet. I would definitely recommend this Etsy shop, guys. I think the cutting looks exactly like the picture, so I knew what I was expecting to get. And the root system looks good and the plant looks nice and healthy. And the way she packaged it, guys, that was a plus. So I definitely recommend her shop. If you guys are looking to buy any houseplants, go over and check Sarah's Etsy shop out. I'll link her information in the description below. Now we're gonna open the next package from the next Etsy shop that I purchased from. So now this next package is from an Etsy shop called 831 Succulents, ran by a gentleman named Kevin. And I ordered another one of my wish list plants from him. This plant was actually featured on my top 10 wish list plants. So as you've seen from the title, you probably already know what it is, but let's open the package. Okay, so this package is packaged a bit different than the last. This one is packaged with the little styrofoam peanuts for protection. So what I will do is I'm going to empty this other box and put them over into it so that they're not like all over my floor. So 1 second while I do that. It's inside of here like this. It's packaged like that. So yes, it was inside of the box, inside the peanuts, with the peanuts wrapped around it. So this is how it came, in a planter wrapped with paper taped around it. I don't really see any roots coming out of the bottom, so I don't think it's pot bound just yet. Let me lift it up so you guys can see me opening it. It's kind of secure this way so that the soil don't spill out, so that was pretty smart. Got my serious face on as I open the lid. Guess what I got? A variegated string of hearts. Isn't it gorgeous? Yes! This is like a 4-inch pot of variegated string of hearts. They look nice and healthy. I'm so excited. And if you guys see my last video, you saw how much my non-variegated string of hearts have grown since I've purchased it. So I'm quite excited to see how fast this one grows and see if it grows at the same rate as the other one. But for the most part, these look really nice and healthy. Yay! Oh my gosh, guys! I don't think I got a goodie in this box. I just think that was paper, but you know, you gotta be extra sure. But guys, let me tell you how excited I am. I'm like cleaning up a mess while talking to you guys, but guys, okay, forget that. Let's get to this. So that is it for this video. I'm gonna get these plants propagated in water or potted up, and until next time, happy growing. Bye. Oh wait, I forgot to mention, I will be doing another unboxing soon. I have another wish list plant on the way, so stay tuned for that. Now bye. So, you're not gonna believe what just happened. I got up to put everything in the trash from my unboxing. Something told me to go through the newspaper one more time. I went through the newspaper, and to my surprise, Sarah had surprised me with yet another cutting. Check it out. So there was this piece of paper folded up like this. I went to pick it up and it felt kind of like it had some weight to it. So I turned it over and I saw that it was folded up, and I opened it up and oh my gosh, voila, this was in there. Now I'm not sure if this is a rickrack cactus. I'm not sure if it's a rickrack cactus or fishbone. A fishbone cactus or rickrack. If you know, please leave it in the comments below. But yeah. Already has a little root system. Thank you, Sarah. So yes, when I saw that, I was shocked and happy at the same time. Thank you so much, Sarah. And until next time, happy growing. Bye. Hey, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, happy growing.